Candace from Gagne Farms. We just got back from a great family strawberry picking experience. We went to a local farm down the road and we picked 12 pounds of strawberries. Amazing. And they said that they were worried about not having enough strawberries to pick, but boy, we got plenty. So we're ready to make some strawberry jam today, so come along with us. Here we are at the beginning of canning season, and this is our first canning video, but watch for many more to come. We do lots of canning here on the farm and preserving, so we're going to show you some of that today. If you enjoy this kind of content, hit that like button down below, and please subscribe to our channel. We appreciate all of our followers out there. Let's get to canning. The first thing we need to do is boil our jars and our lids so that they're nice and sanitized. We'll boil those for about 10 minutes. While our jars and lids are boiling, we're going to clean the strawberries. So we need to come over here and we're going to take our strawberries and take off the stem and leaves. And I'm going to put them here in my colander, and then we'll rinse them and clean them, and then we'll mash them in our bowl. We have our 4 cups of strawberries. We're going to dump it in our stock pot. With the 12 pounds of strawberries we had plenty to make a double batch. We have all of our crushed strawberries in our stock pot, which ended up being 10 cups. Now we need to add 8 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm stirring in the 8 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we're going to put the pectin in our stock pot with our mixture. This is the part that's going to make it into jam, that's going to make it set up. We need to measure out our sugar so it's ready to put in when our mixture starts boiling. We need to measure out 14 cups of sugar. That's for a double batch. We're waiting for our mixture to come to a full rolling boil. A full rolling boil is when it doesn't stop boiling when you're stirring it. So once it does that, then we're going to add our sugar. Then we bring it back up to a full boil and we stir constantly for 1 minute. Our mixture is up to a full rolling boil. That means it doesn't stop when I'm stirring it with my spoon. Long-handled spoon is preferential in this situation because if you are close to this mixture, it will spit on you and it hurts. Now we need to add the sugar. Putting the sugar in will cool the mixture down and take the boil away. So now we're going to wait for it to get back up to a full rolling boil, and we will time it for 1 minute, stirring constantly during that boil. We've got it back up to a full boil, and so now we're stirring constantly at that boil for 1 minute. Our mixture's done, so now we need to get our jars and lids and put them in the jars, and then we're going to hot water bath everything. Eric's getting the jars out of the canner because he didn't want to wait for me to get something to stand on.
She pretty much needs scaffolding to get around here in the house.
Listen for the pop. We ended up with 16 8-ounce jars of strawberry jam and 8 4-ounce jars, and along with a pint that I can't wait to put in my refrigerator right now for us. It is going to be so yummy. Everything worked out great. This was the kickoff to canning season right with that pop. That was a great sound. We love that sound. That means that our jar is sealed. So like I said, this was the kickoff to our canning season. Don't forget to check back because we are going to have so much more going on this summer. Hopefully you hit that bell for notifications because it will let you know when we have a new video out. We've got blueberries coming in, blackberries coming in, tomatoes coming up. So many great things around the farm right now. So make sure that you give us a like. Comment down below. We love to interact with all of you guys. Questions, comments, anything. We will take it all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That helps us out a lot here at Gagne Farms. Thank you so much. We'll catch you on the next one.